Most people think improving tap water is complicated. Expensive systems, technical setups, ongoing maintenance. So they delay it, because it feels like something that requires effort, not something simple. At first, they ignore it. If the water looks clear, if nothing feels wrong, it seems fine, until something changes. A different taste, a concern they hear about, a moment of doubt. And once that doubt appears, doing nothing starts to feel uncomfortable. So they look for solutions. Filters are usually the first step. Easy to install, easy to understand, and for a while, it feels like progress. But over time, that simplicity fades. Filters need replacing. Performance becomes uncertain. Maintenance becomes routine. And what felt like a simple fix turns into something to manage. That's where frustration begins. Because improving water wasn't supposed to be a constant task. That's the turning point. The real issue isn't improving tap water. It's finding a way that stays simple over time. The real issue isn't filtration. It's complexity that builds up. Because a solution only works if it fits into daily life, without effort, without constant attention. And that's why more people are starting to look differently at the problem. Not asking for something more advanced, but something more practical. Something they understand. Something they can control. Something that doesn't depend on constant replacement or hidden processes. Because simplicity creates trust. And trust is what people are really looking for. Not just cleaner water, but a system that makes sense. If you want to explore how some people are approaching this in a simpler and more practical way, there's a structured breakdown in the description that shows how it works step by step. And if you're interested in content that helps simplify everyday decisions like this, consider subscribing. Because sometimes, the simplest solution is the one that actually lasts.